Before you trust any gold IRA company with your retirement savings, take a minute to check their reputation because even companies that look legit can have a long trail of hidden complaints. Here's how to do a quick credibility check. First, look them up on independent review sites like the Better Business Bureau, Trustpilot, and Rip-Off Report. Pay close attention to unresolved complaints, aggressive sales tactics, or slow buybacks. These are red flags that most sales reps won't mention. Second, look for real guarantees, not just flashy promises. Does the company offer a transparent buyback policy in writing? Do they use commission based sales reps who are incentivized to upsell? And third, don't just count the 5-star reviews. Read what actual customers say when things go wrong. How a company handles mistakes says more than any ad ever could. That's why I recommend downloading the free company comparison checklist. It walks you through the exact questions to ask, including one that focuses on real customer experiences. So you're not just guessing who's trustworthy. I'll link it down below. You can download it for free and go through it in under 5 minutes. Most people skip this step and end up regretting it. But now you know how to protect your retirement from bad actors and avoid working with a company that buries complaints under a polished website. Download the comparison checklist using the link in the description and use it before you move forward with any gold IRA company.